Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're taking a look at the collections option inside of Cricut Design Space. So we're currently on the home page in Cricut Design Space, and down the side in the sidebar, we can see the option for My Stuff. If we click on that, that is going to take us to our projects. And here we can see the option for collections and a little add button. If we click on that, that is going to allow us to add a new collection. And underneath, it's going to show any collections that you've already created. I'm going to add a new collection and I'm going to put in Cricut Design Space and click enter, and now it's created us a new collection, and as we can see, there are no projects inside that collection. So to change that, we're going to go back to our projects and we can simply scroll through, and when you come across a project that you want to add to that collection, simply click on the three little dots at the top, and here it gives us edit project details, add to collection, save offline and delete project. So we're going to add to collection. When we click on there, that's now allowing us to select the collection we wish to add the design to. We can add it to multiple collections at this point as well. So I'm going to choose Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to click in the box and then we need to click add. Then we're just going to go through all of our recent designs, and when you find other designs that you wish to add to the collection, we're just going to simply repeat the same process and start adding the collections. If you come across a design in your projects that doesn't really sit within one of the collections, you can now create a new collection by simply clicking on there. Then you can type in the name of your new collection and click create, and that will also create you a new collection. If you are a Cricut Access member, then you can create as many different collections as you like to organize all your projects. If you are not a Cricut Access member, then you are limited to 5 collections. However, you can save up to 1,000 projects inside each of the collections you have created. So that does give you plenty of scope for organizing all your different projects. If you are a Cricut Access member and you've created multiple collections and you cancel your membership, then do not panic, because you will be able to keep your 5 most frequently used collections. But do not worry, because any projects that are in collections that don't get saved, if you cancel your membership, then they will all still be stored within your projects. They just will not be saved in collections as well. The benefit with collections is now we can simply click on our collection for Christmas and we can see all the Christmas items we've saved. Same with Cricut Design Space, with Easter, and that makes looking for designs really quick and easy. And I think it's a perfect way to organize all of your projects and make them easy to access, especially if you are doing certain designs on a regular basis. It makes it very quick and easy for you. If you change your mind and you want to remove a design from one of your collections, then you simply go to the 3 little dots, and here we can see it says remove from collection. If we click remove from collection, then it has removed it from there, but it has still saved it within the projects. It doesn't delete the project, it just simply removes it from the collection. In the same way, if you do decide to delete one of your collections, then you can simply click on the bin option and that will delete the collection. All of these projects will stay within Cricut Design Space. So if we click on there, it gives us an option here. Are you sure? The assets in this collection will still be available in projects and images and other collections that include them. And that's because you can save each project to multiple folders as well. So basically, if we delete that collection, all of these projects will be available still in your projects list. The other way you can add items to collections when you are starting a new project, and when you come to save that project, then you can at that point save the item to one of your existing collections, or you can create a new collection and save it to that collection at that point too. I think this feature is a fantastic way of organizing all of your projects and making your projects more easily accessible, saving you time and giving you more time for crafting. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will look forward to seeing you again in my next video.